Welcome to Steno Dictation by PT. 5 seconds. Start. Madam Speaker, I rise to address this august House on a matter of great national importance regarding the development of our rural economy. India is a land of villages, and the progress of our nation is deeply rooted in the prosperity of our farmers. In recent years, we have seen significant changes in the way agriculture is being practiced in our country. The government has introduced several schemes to provide better seeds, modern equipment, and easy credit to the small farmers. These initiatives are aimed at doubling the income of the farming community. However, we must also focus on the challenges of climate change which are affecting our crop patterns. It is high time that we invest more in sustainable farming and water conservation techniques. Irrigation facilities must be expanded to reach the dry regions where farmers still depend on monsoon rains. Apart from agriculture, the development of rural infrastructure like roads and electricity is also crucial for the overall growth of the society. Better connectivity will allow our farmers to transport their produce to the urban markets without any delay. This will reduce the role of middleman and ensure that the actual producers get a fair price. Now, coming to the industrial sector, we are witnessing a new era of manufacturing in India. The Make in India campaign has attracted many global companies to set up their units here. This has not only boosted our exports but has also created millions of jobs for our youth. But we need to ensure that our labor laws are balanced and protect the interest of both the employers and the workers. Skilled manpower is the need of our. Therefore, the focus on vocational training and skill development centers is a step in the direction every young person in this country should have the opportunity to learn a trade that helps them earn a dignified living. Moving on to the education sector, the new national policy is a visionary document for the future. It emphasized critical thinking rather than rote learning. We must provide quality education to every child, regardless of their financial background. Digital classrooms and online resources should be made available even in the remotest parts of the country. This will bridge the gap between rural and urban education in the health sector. The expansion of medical colleges and the success of the National Health Insurance Scheme have provided great relief to the poor. However, there is still a need for many primary health centers. We must ensure that basic medical facilities are available within a few kilometers of every village. Special attention should be given to the maternal and child health to improve our national health indicators. Furthermore, the role of women in our economy cannot be ignored. When women are empowered, the whole family and the nation progress. We need to create a safe environment for women to work and participate in the decision making process. Support for women entrepreneurs through easy loans is showing very positive results on the ground. Now, looking at the environmental issues, we are committed to reducing our carbon footprint. The shift towards renewable energy like solar and wind power is essential for a green future. India is leading the world in the International Solar Alliance. We must encourage our citizens to adopt eco friendly habits in their daily lives. Protecting our forests and wildlife is our fundamental duty. Urban planning also needs a major overhaul to handle the pressure of increasing population. Smart cities must be designed with proper waste management. Clean drinking water and sanitation are basic rights that must be granted to everyone. The cleanliness mission has brought a massive change in the mindset of the people. But the work is not yet finished. We must continue our efforts to make India clean and green. In the field of science and technology, our scientists are making us proud with successful space missions and research in artificial intelligence. We should provide our funds for research and development to stay ahead in the global competition. Innovation is the key. The government should support setups, startups, and the solving local problems with creative solutions. Our judicial system also needs reforms to ensure speedy justice for all. Justice delayed is justice denied. We should use technology to reduce the pending cases in our courts. In conclusion, Madam Speaker, our journey towards becoming a developed nation requires the contribution of every citizen. We must work with unity, integrity, and dedication. There will be the obstacles that our resolves must be stronger than any challenges. I am confident that with these policies, we will build an India that is strong, prosperous, and inclusive. Let us all pledge to serve the nation with all our heart. The future belongs to those who work hard today. I thank the members of this House for their kind attention and support to these proposals. I look forward to a healthy debate on these issues for the betterment of our people and the glory of our great country.